Hello kids, today we will learn about 5 magic words. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Please, see the picture. Can you make one sentence? Please, lend me the pencil. Next is thank you. T-H-A-N-K, thank. Y-O-U, thank you. Thank you. It's a magic word. You know? Now, learn one sentence. Thank you for the gift. Next one. Next magic word is may I. M-A-Y, may I. May I. This is another magic word. May I borrow a pencil, please? Like this. When you ask somebody, they will be happy. May I go to the washroom? Like that. Next word is excuse me. E-X-C-U-S-E, excuse, M-E, me, excuse me. Another magic word. Excuse me. Excuse me, may I borrow a pen? Yes. Now, learn the sentence. I am sorry. Now, can you tell me what is the magic word? Yes, it is sorry. S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. I am sorry. It was my fault.
Enjoyed this video and found it helpful, definitely give it a like. To support this channel, if you have any recommendations, I would love to hear from you down in the comments below. Additionally, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet and you want to get new videos on concepts for kids, you can click right there to subscribe. And if you want your family or friends to know about this amazing educational channel, do share this video with them. Thanks for watching.